Our storms will be coming out of northern Minnesota. This is where a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect right now. These storms will be heading down into northern Wisconsin and the UP overnight tonight. So no threat here tonight. That will change tomorrow as that cold front back to the west moves down and through west Michigan tomorrow night. That's going to bring a break in our humidity, but there is a slight risk. It's category 2 out of 5 over all of our viewing area, southern two-thirds of lower Michigan. That means there could be short-lived and or not widespread and isolated intense storms, especially in the afternoon and early evening. The main threats will come from wind. We got a high threat from that if it does develop. Our confidence in this scenario is on the low to moderate side, so it's not a slam dunk it will happen. It's also a medium risk for hail and some flooding rains, especially to the north. And the risk for tornadoes is not zero, but it's very low, and that will be from about noon to 6 p.m. here during the day tomorrow. So what you should do is stay weather aware at all times here tomorrow afternoon. Just check your shelter spaces, and if you're going to be spending any time outdoors, just make sure you secure those outdoor objects like patio furniture and stuff, and close your garage doors if the storms are moving into West Michigan. A closer look at the hour-by-hour outlook for your Saturday and some relief on Sunday. We're talking about that in just a few minutes. We did enjoy that lower humidity, but that surged in today along with those tropical downpours. Set records in Grand Rapids and Muskegon for the day. Let's take a look ahead to your Saturday. 13 weather ball is red, even warmer and humid weather ahead. It's also blinking bright. Afternoon showers and possible severe thunderstorms in sight. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures recovered into the low and mid 80s as the sun came out this afternoon. Our average high is 83. Finally, a day where it's been warmer than average. It came within 2 degrees of our forecast high of 82. We've done that 11 days in a row with only 2 misses in the past 31 days. That record amount was 2.65 inches today. That's now boosted our July total to above average, our summer total to above average as well. And now we're only 0.6 of an inch below average for the entire year. That is good news. Surplus for the summer season for all of these locations in southern lower Michigan, even up north. Only about 0.05 of an inch above average in Alpena, but still a deficit up in the UP. But the big change over the last 24 hours has been the surge in the 70-degree dew points. We're 71 right now in Grand Rapids. Our dew points have jumped about 5 to 15 degrees from this time yesterday, and we're going to stay very humid during the day tomorrow. And that may fuel some stronger storms. We had some heavy downpours late last night. Now we're focusing ourselves on storms up in northern Minnesota that may get here tomorrow afternoon. This is the way the weather maps are going to shape up between now and 11 o'clock. Mainly clear skies, maybe a very tiny shower popping up, but for the most part it will just become mostly cloudy between now and daybreak. During the morning tomorrow there might be an isolated shower out ahead of the main line. This will be between about 8 a.m. and noon, but the main line of storms, if this does indeed develop, this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see a strong line coming through Muskegon right around 4 o'clock in Grand Rapids, and then heads to the southeast. By 6 o'clock it has cleared the region, then the sun comes out late in the day, and then after that it will be a quiet Saturday night through most of Sunday. Every Friday, the long-range outlook starting on week 3 and 4. This is August 7th through the 20th. Our section of the country has a little bit higher chance for warmer temperatures and a little bit higher chance that we could see some more rain. So perhaps wet and warm for that 2-week period. Tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon. Highs in the low and mid 80s, very muggy mid 80s, mid 80s up north with early and late afternoon showers and storms. And our showers and storms here in the greater Grand Rapids area may wait until afternoon to arrive, and they could be stronger. Highs in the upper 80s. 13 on your side forecast. A little less humid by the afternoon on Sunday, a little bit more humid then by Monday afternoon, and it will stay humid at times through next Thursday, and we'll get a chance of some thunderstorms again next Tuesday night and Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So we'll just keep an eye on all of your weather apps here during the day tomorrow for the possibility of afternoon stronger storms.
We'll just keep watching our app to make sure.
Yes, thanks, George.